I took a part-time job being something called a resident assistant.
हाँ
जहाँ पे आप अगर आप if you're a senior in college, you live with the junior students and you help them through college and make events for them and make sure अगर कुछ हो गया उनको then they can come to you and complain to you or whatever, and you have to make sure अगर if anyone goes to the hospital,
हाँ
किसी ने ज़्यादा पी लिया है कुछ कर लिया, you have to go with them
हाँ
and stay at the hospital with them.
और इन सब चीज़ों का पैसा मिलता है?
आपको फ्री का नहीं, मतलब आपको कॉम्पनसेशन मिलती है
हाँ
where you get to stay and food.
ओके ठीक है.
I saved on that by being a assistant, and then after that I got my first job actually was teaching study skills
हाँ
to students.
हाँ
जहाँ पे मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता था और मैं ट्रेन लेके सबर्ब्स में जाता था न्यूयॉर्क के. वेरी फार आउट इन ब्रुकलिन, वेरी फार आउट इन हार्लेम, Staten Island, and you would go to the public schools and for 1-2 hours, sometimes 4 hours, give a course on how to study.
हाँ
Now it's not the most interesting topic for students, so I had to make it interesting. So I got training in how to learn lines and how to make the lines interesting. So how to variate when you yell, when you don't yell, when you just give information, when you say कि हाँ अभी मैं बहुत बात करने वाला हूँ लेकिन सुनिए क्योंकि इसके बाद एक जोक है, इसके बाद एक एक्सरसाइज है. So how to capture children's attention is a very hard thing. Children don't care. कुछ नहीं है, अरे ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, चलाते रहते हैं, कुछ भी करते रहते हैं. And then also to change it for 11th and 12th graders who need a more polished way of learning. So I did that for a job. Then I also was a background actor, extra, for a lot of Hollywood productions. तो उस वक्त पे अच्छे पैसे देते थे आई थिंक. फॉर 12 घंटे के लिए वो $130 देते थे,
ओके नॉट बैड.
which was the non-union rate.
हाँ
And but you used to get breaks and all that. You used to feel treated well. So I used to stand in the back 12 hours, sit like this, clap, smile, laugh.
और इसका $130 मिल रहा था.
120 से
120-130
मैं
अप्रॉक्स.
भूल गया हूँ.
ठीक है. $100 से ऊपर.
$100 से ऊपर
Correct,
मिलते थे हर दिन. लेकिन न्यूयॉर्क भी बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव महंगा प्लेस है, तो इट यूज्ड टू बैलेंस आउट. आई यूज्ड टू फील गुड. आई यूज्ड टू माय पेरेंट्स मैं आज
हाँ
कमा के आ गया घर.
हाँ
So I saw a lot of these producers and actors like Seth Rogen and Phoebe Waller-Bridge. I've seen them in front of me.
हाँ
Ben Stiller. I've seen them in front of me. They're at the craft table getting a snack or something, and they go back in. You're not allowed to talk to them.
हाँ
You're not allowed to say hello, because if you say hello, you get
kicked out.
Kicked out.
निकलो हो गया.
हाँ, हो गया आपका.